On April 22, 2025, about an hour before I closed the shop for the night, a gray Chevy Equinox rolled into my bay. The owner thought it had an oil leak, but after talking to her, I realized something was wrong with that diagnosis. She had been adding a quart of oil every 500 miles for almost a year. Two different shops had already tried to fix it. One replaced the valve cover gasket, the other replaced the front crank seal. Nearly $900 later, the car was still burning oil. She sat in my waiting room with a folder full of receipts and said something I hear all the time. Nobody can find where it's going. But the problem wasn't another gasket. It was a small filter hidden inside the engine system that most car owners, and even some mechanics, never think to check. You already know about. The oil filter. You know the engine air filter. You may know the cabin air filter, and on some vehicles, the fuel filter. But there's another filter hiding in many modern engines, and when it gets clogged, it can cause oil leaks, increased oil consumption, rough running, and potentially thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. This is the fifth filter, and here's why it matters. Every time your engine runs, a small amount of combustion gas slips past the piston rings and enters the crankcase. That's called blow-by. It happens in every engine. The problem is that this gas contains fuel vapor, moisture, and oil vapor. If those gases stayed trapped inside the crankcase, pressure would keep building until it started forcing oil past seals and gaskets. That's why engines use a system called positive crankcase ventilation, or PCV. The PCV system pulls those gases out of the crankcase and sends them back into the intake so they can be burned instead of building pressure inside the engine. But modern engines, especially small turbocharged and direct injection engines, can produce a lot of oil vapor, so many engines use an additional filtering or oil separation element in the crankcase ventilation system. Its job is simple. Separate the oil mist from the gases before those gases go back into the intake. And when that filter or separator becomes restricted, that's when the trouble starts. Think about what happens next. The crankcase is producing pressure. The PCV system is supposed to remove that pressure. But if the filter becomes clogged, airflow through the system is restricted. Pressure starts building inside the engine, and that pressure has to escape somewhere. Usually, it finds the weakest seal, the rear main seal, the front crank seal, the DUH, valve cover gasket, the oil pan gasket. That's why an owner can spend hundreds of dollars replacing seals and still see the same oil problem come back. They're fixing the symptom, not the pressure causing it. That's exactly what happened to the Equinox. When I opened the crankcase filter housing, the filter was saturated with oil residue and carbon. It wasn't allowing the system to breathe properly. The engine wasn't simply leaking oil. It was building pressure and pushing that oil where it wasn't supposed to go. And here's the crazy part. The replacement part can cost around $15 to $35, depending on the vehicle. Yet, the wrong diagnosis can turn into a repair costing hundreds or even more. And the problems don't stop with oil leaks. When the crankcase ventilation system isn't working correctly, more oil vapor can be pulled into the intake. That oil can coat the throttle body and intake system on direct injection engines. And if you want more car problems explained before they turn into expensive repairs, subscribe, because the most expensive repair isn't always the hardest one to fix. Sometimes it's simply the one nobody thought to look for.